further one?
Yeah.
Oh, just pull it. Oh, 大颗大颗。
Set it up. Hey. Set it up right here. Oh, you just told me to get set up here. So
It's fine. It's basically just my number.
I got 6, so I can shoot 2, Walt can shoot 2, and Claire can shoot 2. Okay, guys. This is a big gun. Alright? But it works the same way. So and you actually got to push it down a whole lot. Once you're in there, forward, you're gonna see it go up, close, pull the trigger. Right? You shoot, open, close, pull the trigger. So this has got a lot of kick, so hold it firmly into your shoulder.
Just like the shotguns, right? You hold it into your chest.
Okay, you see the second row of plywood down to the right, how it's the row of plywood there?
Gravel, right?
There is a orange square in the bottom left.
Like a
So the path, the gravel path.
Yeah, watch the path. The path goes, you see a circle?
yeah.
Up and left a little bit. Square. You see that square?
Here,
No, you
look at
guys hit first.
No. You see the circle?
Yeah.
The orange one?
Got it?
Yeah,
Oh.
up and left a little bit.
The square, the black square.
Orange. It's like a orange round circle. Or
Oh, round circle, yeah,
you
and
see it?
round circle.
Can I point at it with the camera? You
Oh,
zoom
yeah.
in with the camera and she can see. Right down there. The path walking up, there's a little circle right there. That's as
Zoom
far as
in
it's
more. Right there.
Right there.
Outside?
There's a little square down there.
Oh,
Just aim for that.
I see that.
The path, if you follow the path, there's a little circle.
yeah.
Past the circle.
Okay.
That's what.
最后面的。
有一条小路，有个橘色的，最远那里橘色，橘色再走上去有一个橘色的方形，橘色的方形。Okay, you see
Yeah.
it?
View is not so good.
Yeah, she could not see quite clear, but I know where.
Okay.
You
So-
guys first. You guys first, and I'll tell her while she's doing there.